New day, a new start. Okay, so this vlog is going to be entirely in English. English. Too much English. So much English. Very much English. So many of you try to go the wrong way from that direction to save some time. Well, this guy seems to have a death wish. And another fool over here. Riding under the hot summer sun, it's always advisable to wear full sleeves or a jacket above your t-shirt so that you don't get sunburnt on the way. Many people might think it is just to protect you from the tan, but actually it protects you from a lot more things. Always wear gloves, a jacket, because this prevents the rider fatigue setting in faster compared to those riding without gloves or in half-sleeve t-shirts under this hot summer sun. So what basically happens is, when you wear the jacket, the air is going around you, so you don't feel all that heat. But when you are bare skin, as in when your skin is exposed, the hot air plus the sun dehydrates you way faster. This way you stay a bit protected, you stay more hydrated, and the ride is overall much more doable. So this is just me talking about my routine from my home to my workplace during the second COVID phase in Delhi. So this is a bottleneck over here. Right now there isn't much traffic, so it is going smoothly, but on like rush hours during peak, oh, that's a narrow gap I can't take. That was a silly mistake on my end. Nor shall I go, nor shall I let you pass. The attitude over here right now. Hopefully I'm just able to make this signal. Arey bhai, beechen aaye. So this is what happens, because English ain't my native language. Born and brought up in Delhi, Hindi is what I go to when I'm praying to God, or in cases of high stress emergency situations. Okay, this barricading is new. It wasn't here yesterday. So welcome to the bad grooved stretch of a road filled with random pots. You can't speed over here. If you are able to see these lines on the road, these are actually carved into it, while the upper layer of asphalt was being scrapped to be recycled. So what they ended up doing was they scratched it all off. But post doing that, the COVID lockdown came into place, and it has remained so since. They haven't done anything. It wasn't required. But how these departments work is beyond comprehension of a normal man. They end up redoing the roads that were in perfectly good conditions and completely ignore the paves that require a road. Oh, there's a clean stretch over there. Oh, the shade. It's so relaxing, it's so forgiving from that sun over there. But this is a stretch of road that we have over here, and that's a stretch of off-roading we have over there. If you love your suspension, the tires and everything, your spinal cord, you're going to take this way. If you're more of an adventurous kind, you can take that. Like this bus driver is taking his passengers for a ride, a roller coaster ride. No point cribbing about that because you have the same stretch of road right up there where it's in the opposite condition. There's all off-road here and a road over there. Ignore this part. See, here it says Fortuner. And then over here. Okay, even this stretch ain't that uniform as it. Oh my. Well, some people have had it enough and they're going, oh. Bye. This is why it is so risky. These kind of roads. Welcome to Off-Road Extreme with Arvind Sharat. A daily drive from his home to his office, practicing for Ladakh and off trails. So, back to home, done for the day. Okay, so I had to remove one of my gloves to change some settings on the GoPro. I'll wear it back again as soon as possible, as soon as I get a window to stop my bike. Or not. Bypassing the traffic by entering the service lane. Hopefully this doesn't turn out being a failure. Well, this seems to get more fun by the minute. So that dude would have been waiting for quite a long time if I didn't step in. One good deed at a time. Dude, he's flying on a heavy duty XL heavy duty. He's going at 60. That's like the top speed. Well, this dude seems to be driving overly cautiously. Over cautiously. Yeah. What's it? Overly cautiously. Hoping that this voice quality is good. Because the last time I checked, the main reason why I'm talking in English right now is to see whether there's a difference. Because when you speak in another language, you tend to speak more clearly, slowly, and a bit more loud, just to get that confidence level in you. That's my thinking. That must have hurt, buddy. So yeah, this is me, Arvind Sharat, riding around in Delhi, home to office, office to home, and vlogging along the way. Well, this dude seemed awfully curious about the camera. Run. Either it's going to be a new banquet hall or a car showroom. Only time will tell. Another new showroom or a new banquet hall in the making. Well, it seems business of banquet halls have been booming. It seems to be a good investment. Invest in the property, invest in the design, and people flock to you whenever they have a big fat wedding to conduct. Woohoo! Got the signal. So this is a good turn because you can get quite a good lean angle over here. That is if no one is coming over here. But people tend to do that wrong way shit a lot just to save some time. Swiggy guy, faster man, drive faster. Someone is waiting for you. This is me talking in an accent. What are you doing, da? Try faster. Faster, da. Ingane. You do like this. So that's it. That's the end for today.